regression testing can be performed on a new build. Regression testing involves rerunning previous tests on a software application after the changes, like bug fixes or any enhancements or any updates, to ensure that the existing functionalities remain unaffected by the modifications. So it ensures that the product works fine after making the modifications. Like it can be adding new functionality or fixing the bugs or any changes in the existing feature. So it even helps us to maintain the overall quality of the software. Coming to the process of regression testing, firstly, whenever we make some changes to the source code, like adding new functionality, optimization, etc., then our program will fail, right? So when we execute the program, it fails in the previously designed test suite for various reasons, because we made few modifications, so execution may fail. So after the failure, here we need to debug the source code in order to find out why the failure occurred. So we need to find out or identify bugs in the program. So once the bugs are identified, then we need to make appropriate modifications in order to remove the bugs. After that, test cases are selected from the already existing test suite, which covers all the modified and affected parts of the source code. Then we can add the new test cases if required. So at the end, regression testing it is performed using the selected test cases. Then how to select the test cases? So they can be selected randomly, or you can select all the test cases, or you can select the test cases based on priority. So you can take the highest priority ones. Advantages of regression testing. First one is ensure stability. So it helps confirm that new changes haven't introduced new bugs or reactivated old issues. Then improves reliability. So regularly testing old functionalities increases the overall reliability of the software by ensuring that everything continues to work as expected. And also, it even supports practices like continuous integration and continuous deployment by ensuring that ongoing changes do not break the existing features. Then it catches the side effects. So it even helps identify uneven side effects of recent changes, ensuring that they don't negatively impact other parts of the system. Then we have disadvantages like time and resource consuming. So if we don't use this automatic tools for regression testing, then it takes more amount of time as well as resources also. Next is a maintenance overhead. So this regression testing requires updating test cases and maintaining robust set of tests as the application evolves, which is a challenging task. And there is possibility for redundancy. So rerunning old tests may sometimes test functionalities that are no longer relevant or have been deprecated, leading to wasted efforts. So while it checks for issues in existing functionality, it may not catch all possible new issues, necessitating additional types of testing.